welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bloomberg, Russian someone crude exports have fallen sharply in the first half on September, hit first by a storm in the Pacific and then by an unexplained decline in shipments from the Baltic flows to the big Asian buyers. China and India aren't offsetting a drop in volumes for Europe. Crude shipment from Russia's port has fallen by almost 90,000 barrels a day in 2 weeks, averaging 254 million barrels a day in the week to September 16 compared with 342 million in the 7 days to September 2, using 4 weeks moving average to smooth out variability in the figures. Shipment fell below 3 million barrels a day for the first time in more than 5 months. If cargoes that rebound, the hit to the Kremlin's revenues from lower volumes will soon be compounded by another drop in export duty rates, which are set to fall by 15% in October. That will take the per barrel income to its lowest since February 2021, reflecting both lower international crude prices and a widening discount for Ural against Brent crude during the May August to May September period. The headwinds for President Vladimir Putin are starting just as the U.S. is pressing buyers of Russian oil to sink up to a price cap that would see producers granted access to increases and other essential services only if the price paid in below a yet to be determined threshold. Will key customers China, India, and Turkey are unlikely to endorse the plan. The price cap may boost their bargaining power over Russia for future purchases. Based on current destination, if the French flow of Russian crude to Europe and the wider Mediterranean markets, including Turkey, in the 4 weeks to September 16 fell to its lowest in a month, while shipments to Asia edged lower for a second week. All figures exclude cargoes identified as Kazakhstan cable crates. These are shipments made by Trans-Oil JSC that transit Russia for export to US, Luga, and Novorossiysk. The Kazakh barrel are balanced with crude of Russian origin to create a uniform export grade. Since the invasion of Ukraine by Russia, Kazakhstan has rebranded its cargoes to distinguish them from those shipped by Russian companies. Transit crude is specifically exempted from European Union section on Russia's seaborne shipments that are due to come into effect in December. Crude flows by destination Europe. Russia's seaborne crude export to European countries fell sharply in the 4 weeks to September 16, dropping by 172,000 barrels a day for 18% from the period to September 9 at 104 barrels a day. Average shipments to European buyers fell to their lowest so far this year, as more customers and Russian supplies in the run-up to sections that are due to come into effect on December 5. The volume shipped from Russia to Northern Europe fell to its lowest level for the year so far. In the 4 weeks to September 16, flows averaged just 308 barrels a day during the most challenged period, with a drop in the volume thanks to Poland shipment to stock tanks in Rotterdam averaged 256 barrels a day. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.